Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not want to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now.
Whatever. But me and Patsy are just friends now.
Okay. And Mimi,
What about her?
she's your good friend or your girlfriend?
Listen, look how long now I hear from your mother. Say really think say me know say she come here.
Daddy. So all she just come to say so.
Hold on there. So why you asking so much question? You got to liar?
Maybe.
Hear me one more. Want to know if you understand what I explain to you about your mother. And that one.
Yes, Daddy. I understand.
Princess, this is not something you can discuss with anybody at all. It's private.
I know, Daddy.
Just know say everything I got alright, and no matter what, I got always there for you. Okay?
Yes, Daddy. I know.
So, how grandfather thing is going?
Me must shout off for we.
But you not lose your temper, right?
No. Me I control it.
Good. You see? You learn how to control it.
No, that tongue in her mouth, but I choose she older than me.
Princess, we now go back down that road there.
I look a joke me and it, man.
Alright, so show me some of the dance when you learn up then.
You can share my favorite part.
Your favorite part? Alright. Mm-hmm.
That part are weird.
What?
Where do you feel it? You don't see way back.
You like a frog. You do this?
Kick your foot. One, two, three.
Oh, that's your favorite part?
Daddy,
Yes?
come here.
Yes? Jesus Christ. Hold on. My phone there. Oh. Yeah, come here.
What's she there?
See inside.
So why you look so?
See, I don't know for dinner. It look like it start.
Alright, Whisper, calm down. Me will deal with it. Sit down, swing, and relax.
I never know what else to call. So I just call you.
Just relax. Ma have it.
Say alright, bossy?
Whisper. Your daughter is having her period. I know that she again.
So, she good then.
Oh, she alright. Come, good chat.